Want a quick way to highlight names that don't appear in another list without writing formulas in every row? Let's use conditional formatting to do it visually. First, I'll select the list I want to check, this column here. Then, go to Home, click on Conditional Formatting and choose New Rule. Now I'll pick Use a formula to determine which cells to format. Here's the formula I'll use. COUNTIFS and select the second list and select the first cell in the first list, and this equal to 0. This checks if each name doesn't exist in the second list. I'll set a red fill to make the unmatched name stand out, and hit OK. And there it is. Excel instantly highlights any name that's missing from the second list. Super handy for attendance checks, reconciliation, or data cleaning. This is part 3 of our 500+ Excel tips and tricks playlist. So if you're finding these useful, don't forget to subscribe for more fast Excel tutorials. Thanks for watching.